Welcome to use our interactive flat panel. Note is a whiteboard software integrating different teaching tools that help teachers to create an entertaining and interactive class that engages students. Like in the mathematics class, you can easily write the topic of the class, just as fluently and accurately on your traditional whiteboard. If you're about to erase it, just use the back of your hand to erase, without switching to other tools. If you wrote the content in the wrong place, just circle out a few gestures on your fingertips. You can either move it, rotate it, zoom in or zoom out, or one key to transfer your handwriting into a formally printing one. In a geometry class, drawing a triangle no longer requires holding a ruler on the board. You can easily add in the inner circle, outer circle, and one key to duplicate the whole group shape. Also, Note provides unlimited space for writing. In the roaming mode, use your 5 fingers to jack the entire screen so that you will have unlimited space for writing. Besides about basic whiteboard tools, we have categorized different teaching tools based on the real needs of different subjects. Like in the math class, tools for drawing geometric figures are available with extreme ease, even when it comes to the 3-dimensional figures. And we can easily add in the auxiliary line to explain its inner structure. To analyze 3D figure is no longer confusing and frustrating. Then, we can drag out the entire screen and move it to the corner so that we have more space for writing. Select the compass in the tools bar, adjust its radius and move it to the ideal place. And then, we can drive over one hand to illustrate the process of drawing a circle. Drawing a circular function figure used to be time-consuming and troublesome for teachers, but now with Note, we can easily find the draw function tool in the box, and then we can input the formula. And it will automatically generate the corresponding figures. In a chemistry class, Note also provides a wide variety of experimental tools, like a sink and a beaker. You can adjust the volume respectively and put out the liquid between different containers. Furthermore, learning the structure of a particular chemical element is less labor-intensive. We can compare the elements on the same row or column of the periodic table of elements. Moreover, Note has integrated more useful tools covering different using scenarios in classrooms, such as the timer for examination and magnifier for emphasizing. Behind every detail consolidates our researches and observations into thousands of classes. Besides the basic inboard writing, you may also need to further demonstrate the PowerPoint slides, playing videos, or viewing the internet. In Note, you can one key to switch back to the desktop mode, where you can make annotations on the third-party applications, and one key to switch back to the Note whenever you want. Furthermore, if you find anything interesting on the web page, and you can use the screenshot and circle out the content, and one key to import it to the board for further explanation. No matter what activities you are in, Note is always ready for assisting your teaching in every way and at any time.